Hi guys, let's make chicken mushroom rice. Now go ahead and add your boneless chicken. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Let's add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. We add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and then 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Let's mix it. And this food is ready for chicken mushroom rice from the chain. So we'll add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil into the pan.
Start cooking. I'm adding ginger. Then I'll be adding shallots. Like this. Now let's add the garlic. And we will add the mushroom. Add 2 cups of washed rice. Now let's add some chicken broth, like 1 tablespoon. We'll just mix it like this. All ingredients. Now we add 2 cups of water. Then we'll add a dash of salt. We'll cook it for like 7 minutes. We'll go back. Now it's time to add a chicken. Here. Put it on the side. Here. Cook it for another 7 minutes. For another 7 minutes, and we cover it. Chicken mushroom rice.
Smells really amazing. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe.